I went vegetarian in '01, and I was living in Bangkok. There was one Italian place called Govinda on Sukhumvit, let's say 22. There was a Singaporean vegetarian place, let's say Sukhumvit 26. And there was vegetarian cottage. That was it.
That's how many years ago?
That's 2001.
Wow. Okay.
And you could get options. You could go to this Japanese restaurant or that Korean restaurant and get the various options. But they're not like today, the scene in Bangkok today. In the last 5 years, I go back to Bangkok about once a year. And every time I go, there are 10 new restaurants for me to check out. Here in Chiang Mai, we've been living here, let's say about 10 years. And again, every year there are so many new restaurants. I'll give an example. The friend I had lunch with earlier today, we try to go to a different vegan or vegetarian restaurant every time we have lunch. We meet every few weeks. We've been doing this for a few years. We've never gone to the same place twice. Wow. And we talked today, it's like, we have to keep this going. So today over by the train station, there's a new place that opened up that has your cheese, in fact. We had a little Thai pizza with Swiss cheese on it. And it's like, wow, that was never there before. If you were anywhere near the train station, you had to go to the J or the Chinese type of vegetarian, which is luckily quite prominent in the Chiang Mai area. But now we have so many full-fledged places that I can't get to them all. They're opening up more quickly than I can get to them.
Well, that is a very great sign.
It's a wonderful thing. It's wonderful.
The market is growing, that's for sure. We can see that happening.
This is a vegan's paradise.
Great.
There are very, very few places that I know that would be able to compete. Bali, I think it's Ubud, is quite a spiritual place. And everybody goes there for yoga and Reiki and for the plant-based vegan food.
Right.
In southern Thailand, there's it's near Samui, Koh
Phangan.
Phangan. Yeah, it's famous for being a real vegan paradise. But in terms of a city, I think we win hands down.
I think Chiang Mai, Thailand is actually in the top 10 list worldwide of most vegan friendliest cities. So I think, top 3 is probably like Berlin, London.
London for sure.
Yeah.
Berlin for sure. Paris, I don't remember. Tel Aviv is high up there.
Right,
Taipei is high up there. What's so great about Chiang Mai is if you did vegan vegetarian restaurants per capita, boom.
Right.
Because you have to figure London is, let me guess, 8 million people? I don't really know. Let's say 8 million people approximately. Where Chiang Mai, what are we, 500,000?
Right.
But we have tons of vegan restaurants.
Exactly.
So if anybody's wondering, well, where should I go on holiday? Hello, I see you at the
Paradise,
airport.
right.